So this week we need to implement 3 sorts: the bubble sort, the selection sort, and the insertion sort. So first we look the bubble sort. The bubble sort is implemented by a sorter interface. This interface provides us a function sort. So in this function, we can do what we want to order the sequence in our own way. And this function has 2 parameters. The one is sequence. The second is compiler. The sequence will store the data, and it will store the data in an array type. And the compiler is to compare the 2 elements in our own way. And the where is what we need to add. The limit, the key type, the journal type is implemented by a compatible interface. So the first thing is to adjust whether compiler is new. If it is new, we need to create a default one to it. And the default one will order the 2 elements in an increasing order. So come to the loop. The loop has 2 for loop here. One is here, the second is here. So the first for loop is to loop array elements, and the second is to loop the each elements what we haven't ordered it. So if it is greater in our own way, we need to swap them here. And come to the selection sort. Selection sort, the only different things in selection sort is here, the for loops. So we have for loops either, but the different things is we need to store the indexed first. For the second for loop, we need to choose the minimize mean, the minimize elements indexed here, and give the index to mean. And finally, at the end of this for loop, we need to swap the 2 elements here. And for the insertion sort has the same interface, same function, and the same adjust here. The different things is the for loop. The for loop has changed for one for loop here, and second is while loop. For the first for loop, we need to store the elements, the insert value, and the insert indexed. So we go next, the while loop. The while loop will do the switch things and insert index -1 if this code is successful, because we need to choose the minimize or the maximize number what we want to insert in the first element. And then here is the insert operations, the insert operation. So let's look at the result. So all the result is correct and it can be run. So that's all. Thank you.